Hey, how's it going? Please tell us what are you doing as a Syrian Belgrade?
Absolutely, and I'm doing very well. How are you?
Yeah, doing great. Having a good time.
Good, good, good. Well, basically, what we're here today talking on stage. We've got Alberto, our head of ZK, talking on stage about Snarktor, which is our recursive aggregation of proof protocol. But he will be going into the details about that tomorrow. And then we've got John Lilich, our executive chairman, who's going to be on stage tomorrow at 10 a.m. And he's going to be talking about our hardware accelerated zkEVM layer 2 that we're looking to launch in early 2025.
Okay, good, great. And could you please highlight the recent milestones that you achieved?
Absolutely. So basically, the first point of view was actually coming up with the concept. So we were in research and development for just under a year on Snarktor. We published a white paper in January of 2025. And then the whole point is now we've got to build it, right?
Yeah.
So we partnered with Telos technology and we're working collaboratively to actually deliver on that a proof of concept that we're going to be delivering at ETH this year. So that's the next milestone that's expected very shortly. Then alongside that, we've been doing some benchmark testing based on the zkEVM text, and we're seeing some great numbers at the moment, and we should be able to publish this information as we basically conclude the benchmark testing. And then the whole idea is that we publicize our research and development throughout the year at further events and also by technical writing, etc., etc. And then the main event is going to be the deployment of zkEVM in the new year.
Okay, right. Great. And could you please tell us some of the use cases?
We've got different components to our ecosystem. So we've got a layer one, we've got our EVM, which is DeFi focused. We've got a gaming department that is pushing GameFi as well. But the whole point of ZK technologies is that it unlocks use cases. And basically, what's happening today is the lack of performance of ZK EVMs is not allowing these kind of enterprise Web 2 kind of real world kind of use cases to come on chain currently. However, with what we're trying to achieve by increasing performance of our ZK EVM and with our aggregation of proof protocol, is we're unlocking use cases. And that could be anything. That could be, I don't know, let's say government voting on chain. That could be medical records. That could be driving licenses and tests. So many use cases that this unlocks, because the truth is today, 80% of the use cases that are in the real world can't come on chain because of data privacy and scalability. And these are the kind of things that we've got to try and unlock.
What do you think about the Syrian Belgrade? Like, what are the vibes here? Have you met new people in the Web3 space?
Well, firstly, I've never been to Belgrade.
Yeah.
So firstly, honestly, fantastic, lovely place. People are fantastic. And I'm coming back here. This is going to be a regular place for me to come back to. Okay. And Telos is going to be regular in Belgrade as well. So firstly, I want to thank everybody for making me feel so welcome and Telos so welcome. But generally, the event has been absolutely fantastic. We're looking forward because our speeches are tomorrow.
Yeah.
The collaboration within the community is so fantastic here. And the Ethereum community in general is flourishing in this region of the world, especially from the developer side of things as well, because there's so much talent here as well, especially with a lot of the Russian community moving here over the last couple of years. There's so much talent here, not just natively, but the Russian talent as well. And speaking to these people about the passion and the level of services that they can provide has been actually really eye-opening for me as an individual. So where does that lead us in the future? It means that this is going to be another one of our homes at Telos moving forward.
Yeah, great. Thank you so much for the talk. Thank you.
No worries. Thank you. Absolute pleasure.